Hi! Good music and interesting sound effects can give an edge to your YouTube videos. But for those of you who are starting on your YouTube journey and wondering where to find free music and free sound effects for yourself, this video is just for you. Also, it will address where to find the audio library in the YouTube Studio beta version. So let's go step by step and see how to access the audio library. Step 1. Log into your YouTube account. Step 2. From the account menu, click on the YouTube Studio Beta, which will take you to the channel dashboard. Step 3. On the left hand side bar, there is an option of Other Features. As you hover your mouse on it, you will see the Audio Library option as the second last option. Click on this Audio Library option. The next tab opens up, which leads you to the audio library containing free music and free sound effects. So let's see the free music section first. In this you will find the various music tracks that are free to use. Now there are various genres. You can sort out through genres. You may want to have hip hop or alternative punk music or jazz. You can also sort by the mood. For example, you want to have a happy music. You can sort by the happy music. You can sort by the instrument, you can sort by the duration, and then comes the most important part, attribution. While some tracks are completely free to use and you need not mention anything for using them, some require an attribution in your video description. So let's see how to do that. I'm removing the filter, all moods, attribution. You may choose the music in which no attribution is required at all. You can just download it using this download button and it will get saved in your downloads folder. Other one is attribution required. Now if you sort out using these, you will see that a new icon comes which mentions the license and Creative Commons attribution. Just click on that. You are still free to use this music, but in your video description box, you are needed to mention this attribution. You just need to copy paste these details from here into your video description box. Again, you can download it using the download button and use it in your video projects as per your need. So this is about the free music, but this part is really important and you should not be violating the guidelines. You really should mention this attribution in case you are using such tracks. Then we come to the sound effects. This is an amazing part. I really like it. So there are a number of different categories for you to choose from. You can view the categories and filter the sounds according to your choice. Let's see just weather. Okay. So you have this storms, winds, thunders. Let's see how thunder sounds. Cool. Well, you have a variety of options to choose from. So you can just, go ahead, download whatever sound you want to for your video and use it. You can also search the sound effect that you are looking for. For example, waves. You'll see a number of options, or even winds. And you do not have to give any sort of attribution in this case. You can just download and you are completely free to use it as per your needs. So this is how you can access the audio library through the beta version of Studio, and it's really simple to use. If you like this video or you have any questions regarding the usage, please feel free to put your questions or comments in the comment boxes below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.